Hey y'all, this is part 2 of my weekend hitting the stores video. And wow, look at all the glitter. I tell you, I saw it from that Dollar Tree stuff. That glitter it just goes everywhere. My husband's a glitter folk, so he'll have a fit. But it's that time of year. We used to have a store in the mall back when we lived up in the mountains. We had a store. We lived in Fancy Gap, Virginia. And we had a store down in Mount Airy, in Mayberry Mall. For, gosh, until we moved away from up there, we had it. And every year at Christmas, the glitter was everywhere. And it would take us until almost spring to get all the glitter out of the carpet in the store. It was terrible. You went home sparkly every night. But anyway, let's see. Where do we go? Let's see. We went to Walmart. Had to get some drinks and all that, and toilet paper, all that mess. But of course I had to hit the Christmas section. And I found a few things there. Found this little snowman. I just thought he was so cute. I'm probably going to keep him exactly the way he is and just put him on my country tree because I just thought he was so cute. And I think he was $1.98. I think he was on that row of $1.98 ornaments. So I thought he was just so sweet. And nice and rustic like we like. These are bears. Bear ornaments. That I can't get open. Hang on, let me get this open. It's taped good. Alright, here, let me get one out. My husband swore up and down I had already bought these. I said, no, I bought something similar, but not exactly the same. Ain't they cute? I don't know if I'll do anything to them. Probably because I think they need some greenery or something on them maybe. I just love the bears and that type stuff for my mountain house. I have a whole shower curtain that I kept from my house up in Fancy Gap that's got bears and cabins and stuff on them. Because I just really like that. And this bag tore. So I'll be reusing it probably. And I know a lot of people have said about these bags. Well, I have plenty of the other bags, the reusable bags, but every time I forget to take them with me. Every time. And like the cloth bags from Walmart sales, I was at an auction. I got a huge stack of them for like $1. I don't even know where I put them. I never remember them. Never. But it's okay because I reuse these. I got lots of things I do with these. I reuse them in my small bathroom cans instead of buying bags for them, the garbage cans. And I reuse them for wrapping stuff. Like I've been wrapping my Christmas stuff in these bags for years. And it's really funny because when I'm unwrapping something from like 10 years ago, from Walmart or a Food Line bag from back then, and they look different. And it's almost like when you're looking back at the old ornaments or something. It brings back memories. So it's really funny. But they work really good for wrapping your breakables because you can wrap several around it and really cushion them good. The one thing I have found is that, especially the ones that have white bags, there are some things that if you don't turn the bag inside out, the writing will kind of stick to whatever you're wrapping and get on it. That's the only problem I've seen with it. So I use a lot of them for that. And I've been saving a bunch up because when we're moving, I'm going to wrap it around my stuff here because it really works good. And I also have a whole big bag full of these I'm saving up. I want to cut them up and make like a plastic yarn out of them to make like doormats and stuff. So I have lots of projects for them. So they're not going into the landfill. This one, I don't know what I'll do with because it tore. So I don't know what I'll do with it, but I reuse them. I have literally reused them until they're disintegrating. So don't worry too much about me getting them. And one of these days I'll remember my other bags. And let's see, I got these. I thought they were so cute. I'm going to use them like in little scenes when I do them. Like this will go like with my campers that I got for my little scene. I'll probably use one in there. And I got these just because I just really did like them. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, but I just really liked them. They're nice and rustic. North woodsy or whatever you want to call it. I really like those. They had some others that had some words on them I looked at first, and then I saw these. I was like, oh, must have these. They were $1.98. Little Trucks was $1.98. This, I don't remember how much this was. It was probably about $1.98 or so too. I'm kind of stuck on that road. And then I found this. I thought this was cute. It was $90. It's $1.48. That's what this one was. I just thought it was cute to use on something. Pull apart or something. And I got a little 98-cent pick just to use. That's what's in that bag. And I finally found some more narrow buffalo check ribbon. It was, I think it was 98 cents. And I found this guy, and I thought he was so cute. I just loved him. I showed him my husband. I said, look! And he said, yeah, it's an owl, so. I wanted to just slap him. I said, well, I happen to like it. He said, well, if you like owls. He said, I didn't know you liked owls. I was like, oh, that's not, no, it's not that I like owls. I like him. I like certain owls, the rustic ones and stuff. So, he was I think he was $1.98. But I thought he was cute. Even my husband just said, yeah, it's an owl, so what? Sometimes they just make you want to just really just smack them one. And they had this ribbon. Got it. And I got another 98-cent pick. And that's what I got at Walmart. Didn't get a whole lot there. Well, I did if you figure I got drinks and food and all that mess. So, there's that from Walmart. Let's move on to the next. Where did I go next? Oh, let me show you this one. Yesterday we had to stop at a Cracker Barrel and pick up some food for his aunt to take her. So while we were waiting, I was in there looking around, and I saw this ornament. I thought it was just so cute. I just loved it. But it was a $10 ornament, and, you know, cheapskate here won't pay that for it. And it was the last one. And I just loved it. I showed it to my husband. I said, this is so cute. I wish it was on sale. Went on, kept looking, and then we got her food, and we went on and got out in the car. And my husband hands me a bag. And he says, here. And he bought it. He went back and bought it. And I said, oh my God, you shouldn't have paid that $10 for that. But he said, quit being such a cheapskate. He calls me that all the time, but is he not so cute? He said, that will look good in our house in the mountains. So I just loved him. And you know, if I could sew, I could have whipped one out myself, but I don't sew. If I had tried to make this, I'd just hate to think what it looked like. He's like felt, and he's got that little tree. I just thought he was so cute. And he don't have too much glitter, so he didn't mind him. But I just really like that. And that was sweet of him to sneak back and get that for me. He's got little snowshoes. Is that not the cutest thing? So I just love him. Okay, where did we go? I went to Dollar General. I ran in Dollar General. And like I said, I've said in previous videos, the one here in where we live in town is really not very good. They don't put the stuff out. It's dirty. Stuff will sit there in boxes for weeks. It's not one of those NCI stores. It's just your basic little bitty Dollar General. It's really old. So I went by one that was a brand new one. It was over in, I think it was in Conway. And it was a brand new one, big one. And it was one of the NCI stores. And I probably should have stayed out of there, because I could not get everything I saw. So I got this. I thought that it was so cute. It was $1. I just love that. That was so cute. And I went Red Truck Happy, I tell you. I got that. That's cute. It was $3. I got this. And this, where's my receipt? Let me find the receipt. Because, I mean, it was just unreal what I paid for some of this. This one was on sale because it was spring. And I'm going to redo this one, probably. I'll probably repaint it. Let's see. Camper. This was 90 cents. And then they had this one with Santa. I thought that was just the sweetest things. I don't know if I'll do anything to them. They're so cute. It's $1. And I got this. No, you gotta watch. Watch. Can you see? Can you see? Do I need to turn the light off? Hang on, let me turn the light off. Now maybe you can see it. That's so cute. $2. Had to have that. For $2? Yes, had to have. Let me turn the light back on. Okay. I done dropped my receipt. Don't know what to do with it. What do I do with it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Got this. And it had been marked $1. But it was on here somewhere. Where is it? No. 30 cents. I thought, I can do something with that for 30 cents. Meet me under the mistletoe. That's so cute. I'll probably add some greenery or something to it, but I thought that was really cute. It was $1. I got this. I'm going to put it on a sign because it's got a flat back, so I can glue it on. And it was $1. It says snowballs, 5 cents each. And then I'll probably put me a snowman on it too. Let it snow. So cute. $1. And if it's $1, then I'm a sucker. And then I got this. I'm going to take it up to the camper up in the mountains. It was 15 cents. It had been marked $1, but it said 70% off, but then it rang up 15 cents. So that's going up to my camper. And then when we have a house, we're going to leave the camper sitting out like for people to come stay in. And it'll still be out there at it. And that's what I got at Walmart and Dollar Tree. And that's what I got at Walmart and Dollar General. And let's see. Where else did I go? What is this? So there's what I got at Dollar General and Walmart and Cracker Barrel. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 3 where I tell you about the rest of the stores we hit. It will be Ollie's, Big Lots, and AC Moore. So until then, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you then.